Sir, there are two aspects which are very critical or for us, sir, actually three aspects. And the first one is as you said, sir, 70 lakhs is our population and which is growing. But they draw upon the resources of GHMC as well, sir. So the first one is the solid waste management, sir. The second issue is, sir, related to traffic, sir. And the third issue is, which is again you highlighted, sir, and your initiatives, which everybody is talking, related to the greening of the cities. So on these three issues, sir, I will very briefly touch upon, sir. Sir, we generate about, the city generates 3,800 metric tons of garbage every day, sir. And as you are aware, sir, that the city has entered into a PPP mode, and we have a very scientific system of disposal of all these garbage, sir. And one of the major location of Jawahar Nagar is considered to be a kind of a model for the whole of the country, sir. Because in a very scientific way, the entire garbage is desegregated, then it is also managed in a very, very scientific way, sir. And though there are some hiccups, sir, here and there, the entire project has not been implemented. The door-to-door collection to the whole thing has been, there is an agreement, but somehow the last bit of this project, that is the treatment of the solid waste, has been already implemented, sir. And we are even trying to further improve this whole thing. So in this regard, sir, the entire system is in place, and we are looking how further we can make it better. Then, sir, the next issue is what you highlighted regarding the greening of the cities. Actually, sir, Hyderabad has been regarded as one of the greenest city, and many efforts are being taken to ensure that all these areas, wherever there is a possibility of plantation, actually becomes green, sir. And for that we have actually, sir, when we organized the last COP, at that point of time, the whole division which handles the greening and of the city has been renamed, sir, as Urban Biodiversity Division. And a large number of parks are being maintained by us, sir. And also we are encouraging everybody to go for the plantation, etc. In this regard, sir, actually every year we do a large number of plantation. We have the entire city is divided into 18 what we call as division, and everywhere there is a person exclusively looking after the plantation. We call them as urban diversity managers, sir. And we have a additional commissioner and all these things, sir. In all, sir, we maintain some major parks, 19 are there. Then we have certain theme parks. Then we have colonies also, we encourage them to maintain their own parks, sir. Right now we have 615 such parks spread over 274 acres, sir. Similarly, there are tree parks, sir, where we do minimum maintenance but try to maintain a green cover, 324, and we have 167 acres on that. Then we have large number of open spaces, 1049, and 516 acres are there, sir. In addition to that, sir, we know the importance of these open spaces, which are like lung space for the city, and therefore we have taken a massive drive, and also compound walls with visibility in terms of on the upper portion putting some grills so that people can see what is happening is taken, and we are doing before the financial year 1,000 such enclosures to protect these land. And then during the rainy season we are also going to make these parks having trees or whatever is suitable in those areas, sir. In addition to that, sir, we have 128 lakes, sir, which are in the GHMC area, Greater Hyderabad area. All that with help of HMDA, and our Chief Secretary also takes a lot of interest. So we are trying to protect them. We have fixed for those areas the full tank level, and we have put fencing. We are also trying to see how these parks can be actually developed in a better way, sir. In addition to that, sir, last year during the rainy season, we distributed 1.72 lakhs of seedlings through the corporators and also to the schools which have been planted, sir. And regularly we do these plantations in a very, very big way, sir. So then, sir, we also have a project which we jointly do with the traffic police, sir, which is one of the most modern kind of a project. And our additional commissioner police is also here. Maybe he will throw light, sir. The whole project is such that, sir, it measures the depth of traffic, and there are two control and command centers where they know how much traffic is there. There are boards which give the signals so that an integrated management of these traffic signals can be done. So it is one of the very innovative projects, sir, which is done jointly by the GHMC and the traffic police of both the commissionerates of Hyderabad and Cyberabad. You may be seeing those lights which are very bright these days, and they give lot of also messages.